AI tools can do amazing things, but they perform best when you guide them carefully. How you write and construct your prompts can make a huge difference. Small tweaks often mean the difference between a confusing answer and a clear, useful one. In this video, we'll explore key strategies for crafting effective prompts. Clarity and specificity, providing context, controlling response length, iterative refinement, and prompt chaining. Each strategy will help you get the most from AI tools. Strategy 1. Clarity and specificity. The more precise your prompt, the better the AI can respond. Vague prompts often lead to answers that feel confusing or off-target. For example, instead of asking, "Explain how to solve math equations," you could say, "Explain how to solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula," with one worked example. By adding clarity and specificity, you give the AI exactly what you need, which makes the answer more clear, relevant, and actionable. Strategy 2. Providing context. Adding context helps AI better understand your request and respond in a way that fits your needs. Think of it like setting the scene. Mentioning things like tone, target audience, or grade level can make your results more accurate and useful. For example, instead of asking, "Explain how to make a stir-fry," you could say, "For a chef teaching beginners, provide a chicken stir-fry recipe with step-by-step instructions, including cooking time and ingredient measurements." Notice how this version not only adds context, but also creates a role and a scenario for the AI. By doing that, you help the AI tailor its answer more effectively for the audience, purpose, and style. Strategy 3. Controlling response length. Sometimes you want short, concise responses. Other times, you might need more detail or a specific number of examples. Giving the AI clear instructions about length or quantity helps keep it on track. For example, instead of asking, "Explain CSU AI policies," you could say, "In 50 words or less, summarize CSU AI policies for students, faculty, and staff." By setting length, you guide the AI to give a quick, practical summary when needed, or a longer explanation when more detail is useful. In this case, the prompt not only specifies length, but also tailors the summary for particular groups. Strategy 4. Iterative refinement. Prompting is often a process of trial and error. Start with a basic prompt, review the AI's response, then tweak it for more clarity and relevance. Now that you've learned a few strategies, you can mix and match them as needed for iterative refinement. For example, say you begin with a broad or vague prompt, such as, "Explain supply and demand." After reviewing the response and finding that you would like more information, refine your prompt by adding clarity and context, like, "Explain the law of supply and demand," with a simple, real-world example for beginners. Based on the next response from AI, you might choose to go further by adding more context or limiting the response length. For instance, specifically in the context of US economics, in 200 words or less. Small adjustments can significantly improve clarity, relevance, and usefulness. Even the same prompt can lead to different results, so testing and refining is key. Strategy 5. Prompt chaining. Sometimes a task can be too complex for a single prompt. Prompt chaining breaks the job into smaller steps, using each AI response as the starting point for the next one. Think of it like building a tower, one block at a time. For example, you could start by asking, "What are the main pros and cons of social media's impact on the human brain?" Once you have that answer, you might follow up with, "What are some common debates or questions around this topic?" Then, you could ask, "Can you suggest a simple outline to explain this topic clearly?" By chaining prompts together, you can move through a complex task step by step. In this case, AI is helping us shift from understanding, to analyzing, to organizing. In summary, to get the best responses from AI, be clear and specific, give context, control response length, consider iterative refinement, and use chaining when needed. These strategies will unlock the full potential of AI tools. Good luck!